Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Golf R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely Indian grey metallic. It's got that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Just start off at the front of the vehicle, you've got LED daytime running lights to keep you visible on the road at all times. Down the side of the vehicle you've got these lovely optionally fitted 18-inch Marseille alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space also available, including split folding seats and a load-through hatch, as well as that adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. Inside you get signature R-Line upholstery with a park cloth and Alcantara. And moving towards the front there's a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. We've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got your manual air conditioning with a little bit of storage below and a USB port to charge your device. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.